Hey, Merry Christmas Eve. This is Bob from Trade Genius. I want to show you a chart because futures are going to open up in 3 hours, and natural gas has been trying to put a bottom in here for the last 3 weeks. And so on Sunday, actually this week, even though it looked like it was pretty volatile, we had actually an up week. So from the lows on Friday to the close of this Friday, we actually were up a couple pennies, and the supply and demand imbalance is getting to be extreme. And they had a huge draw today off of the storage, and the weather is forecasting to be even colder. So I'll be looking for the next 2 to 3 weeks to see a potential explosion coming out of natural gas. And even though for the all the craziness, this line here, this 268 line, whoever was selling, somebody kept trying to bring it back to this 268 number, and they closed it on Friday. So I'm pretty bullish. I held my nat gas over the holiday weekend, and I still have my U-gas, and the natural gas production companies on the equity side are doing really well. They're forecasting something that's going to be pretty bullish. So you may get a gap up here for Christmas, but definitely start looking next week if you wanted to jump into some UNG. We're already in Southwestern Energy, and we're already up nicely on that. So if you don't want to play the futures, look at Encana, look at Southwestern Energy, even look at like Noble. You can look at Halliburton. There's a number of plays you can make here, because I think what's going to happen here, my personal view, is that they underestimated how cold this winter is going to be. Because when they looked at the typical La Nina years, they say it's going to be relatively benign weather in the Northeast. And we're getting the La Nina that doesn't do that. And we're getting these Arctic spills down. And Canada's been in a deep freeze for the last month. And so they under purchased, and they've been trying to run the storage out so that they can keep putting the pressure on the pricing. But production's fairly static, and they just can't all of a sudden start overproducing because it got really cold. And you're going to start seeing the spot price of natural gas go through the roof, and that's going to bring up the pricing at the Henry Hub storage facility that the futures are marked against. So watch out. This is going to be pretty exciting. So I'll throw a couple other videos out this over the holidays here. I'm going to just schedule them so I don't have to be around. But enjoy Christmas. As a Christian, it's a wonderful day for us, for reflection. Those that are not Christian and are just reflecting on the gift giving. As Christians, we're reflecting on the gift from our Lord of His Son for our salvation, and for those who are just giving gifts because it's for family and community, that's wonderful too. So enjoy your rest of your weekend, and I'll be back with some live videos starting on Tuesday. Thank you. Bye bye.